material is B09 2010 and 154. I am from Bmmm 1/2. Today I'm going to present our project, which is touch and go car parking system. Okay, this is my fellow member, which is Muhammad Nur Aiman bin Jalaini and Ahmad Izam bin Arafandi, and lastly Aina Balkis binti Muhammad Asri, and our supervisor is Encik Muhammad Nur bin Hashim. Okay, about us. This company is founded by Ahmad Izam bin Arafandi at 21 October 2021, specialized in automated car parking system. This company segment include China, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the rest of Asia Pacific. Thus, our company is well known for the reliability and rigidity system. Our revolution strengthened by winning CIMAX Works Award in December for the outstanding design. Okay, introduction. What is our multi-level parking system? Our multi-level parking system is a parking system where it is an automated closed parking system. It is small, compact, expandable, and reliable. It have the built-in security and cashless pay system for the public convenience. Application and venue. It is best used in the busy city where the space are tight. It's applicable to hatchback cars, sedan cars, and SUV cars. Lastly, objective. Our objective is to design a small and compact car parking system for public. Second is to ensure the vehicle safety for public when using our system. Lastly, to protect the vehicle from any unexpected weather change. Okay, that's all for me. I will pass this presentation to my fellow member.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aina Balkis binti Muhammad Asri and I am from Bmmm section 1/2. My matrix number is B0920100072. Today I would like to explain about the problem statements, problem solutions, and also insurance. As we can see from the slide, we discovered 3 problem statements as a result of our investigation, which is limited parking places, risky areas, and weather that is unpredictable. The first point, parking spaces are very limited in urban areas that some people have had to double park their cars simply to get around. For number 2, which is some metropolitan areas are dangerous a lot of time, especially when the public has to park in an illegal parking lot and spend a premium for it while also risking being robbed. Lastly, there is the weather that which can never be expected. Since most parking spaces aren't covered, vehicles were exposed to the elements. As a result, some vehicles were damaged by rain or sun rays, which is harmed the body kit and wore off the paint. That is the topic of the next slide, which is problem solutions. So why you should consider parking with us? It's because our organization had come up with solutions to the public's complaints about everyday life. We had the best option for you. The most effective service are we use a cashless system to reduce face-to-face contact with the general public, making the situation more safer during this pandemic. It's also roofed and ventilated to keep the cars safe from the elements. Next, it has a built-in security system that includes CCTV cameras that are monitored by security, as well as security guarding the parking system. And lastly, because it is open to the general public 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so anyone can park there. In the case of insurance, because we are confident in our design and measurements, we have extended a 60% insurance guarantee to the public if the vehicles are stolen or destroyed while in our care. I'm sure you are worried about what will happen if a disaster strikes, but don't worry, our multi-level parking design is built to withstand earthquakes, typhoons, fires, and floods. So also don't worry, our engineers and architects have already put our multi-level parking system to the test and have chosen the ideal solution. We install fire alarms to protect them from fire, as well as brick walls and excellent cement that will not corrode in the event of a flood. Even a storm won't be able to blow it away since it is so strong and robust, and the earthquake won't be able to break any of the walls.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Izamin Arafandi and I will continue for design specification. We have special features such as payment system and security system. For payment system, we are using online banking system and touch and go technology, which is quite common in this country. For security system, we have system CCTV, bridge, firefighting system, collision detector, and hacker system broker, which there's no risk for the car being stolen with this multi-level parking security because it is quite discreet and quite protective for security system, such as hacker system. We can detect whether there is hacker try to hack our multi-level parking. We will continue with performance. For efficient and accuracy of this multi-level parking system, we can say that it's quite efficient and much accurate rather than other multi-level parking system that we are using today. For the user, there is no training for the user because it is also easier because we are using only in digital and we can get the order and pay for the parking using touch and go app. And for the services, we recall the maintenance every 1 year. But in case there is misconduct or anything, we will get the call from the keeper. For maintenance, it is easy and not not complicated such as other multi-level parking. So we can say that it is much more easy and efficient and affordable for all people, so people can use it quite nice. And yeah, we can use it much easy. And we for concept design for the multi-level car parking idea, we have brainstorming from our team and we get three type of multi-level parking system. For the first one, we are using rotary multi-level parking system, and for the second one, we have lift multi-level parking system, and the third one is circle lift multi-level parking system. For the rotary, it is simple and easy for maintenance work, and the cost for us to make it is not as much as the other two. For the second one, it is not easy for the maintenance and the risk occur for any hazard is quite high other than the first one. For the third, for spaces of car, we can give credit for the third one. It can fit much more car other than two, but the cost of making the car multi-level parking system is high, and for the maintenance is complicated other than those two. And from the costing, it is exceeded our model. So for after we are discussing, we have used the first one, which is rotary multi-level car parking system, and we are making rotary multi-level car parking system for our theme. and I will continue with my teammate, and he will talk about how the multi-level car parking system for rotary multi-level parking system is conducted and how does it work and the process for the multi-level parking system. And I will continue with Aiman. Thank you.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Aiman bin Muhammad Jalani, and I'm from Bmmm 1 stroke 2. My metric number is B0920103333. Okay, next I will continue the presentation about the multi-level parking system, which is my part is how the product works. So as we can see here, this is how the flow of the flow process on how the multi-level parking system works. So firstly, the car will be driven towards the multi-level parking system ramp. Next, the driver will leave the car and take the ticket. Okay, the ticket with a code is for the system to recognize which is the correct car, when the driver wants to take back their car after uh, when they want to leave. Okay, then the sensor will analyze the car and the RAM will take the car towards the parking ramp. Okay, the estimated time for the whole process to complete is within a minute. Okay, when the driver wants to take back the car to leave, they just insert the ticket and the system will show the amount to pay based on the time they leave the car at the parking system. So after the payment complete, the the system will recognize the car and take out the car for the driver, and the driver uh, will leave the parking system place. So this is our product, the multi-level parking system, and that's all from me. Thank you.